Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Wheaton Precious Metals. This is ticker WPM. Now, as you know, the metal stocks have been acting really well with gold holding up near the highs, silver perking up here a little bit, and the general gold miners in an uptrend, and above all the key moving averages, gold has been a pretty great place to park some money as the market chops around. And one of the best stocks, in my opinion, in this sector is Wheaton Precious Metals. And you can see it's just kind of hanging out near some highs here, above all the key moving averages, bumping up against $87 as a pretty clear level of resistance. And that's a zone I want to see this stock get above and stay above if, in fact, we do continue to see momentum in the gold stocks. Now, from a near-term perspective, I see support down around the 8-day exponential period moving average, but if you zoom out and have a longer-term time frame, you can see the 50-day moving average has, for the most part, acted as a support zone, where even if it does drop below for a day or two, the buyers bring it back up. And so that shows some good long-term confidence in the stock, whether you're a momentum chaser looking for a breakout or a value buyer looking for a pullback to the 50-day moving average. I think Wheaton Precious Metals is a stock you want to keep on your watch list. And it's just one of many we're looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that video is helpful. I'll see you next time.